Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. In this video, we will be talking about how you search an image in Google. I am sure some of you might be laughing on me that since you are already searching images and a lot of content on Google, so what this guy is going to tell me about images. But yes, when I say I'm going to tell you something important, then definitely watch this video till end to know what information I've got for you. I will tell you about some tools that Google provides us for searching images. So let's get going. Watch this video till end so that you don't miss out on any of the important stuff because there are so many steps and so many tools that I'm going to tell you from the Google search itself. So first of all, we'll start with the celebrity. Celebrity because there are so many images available all the time, so we can segregate and check if we are on the right path or not. And who can be bigger celebrity than Joe Biden? So search on the Joe Biden. Okay, and the very first thing that you see while the search appears is some top stories, uh, Wikipedia page on the right hand side because he's a celebrity, and most celebrities have at least one page on Wikipedia about their information that talks about their education, their children, their birthplace, and all these things. Then you scroll down, and after you scroll down a little bit more, you will have the images of Joe Biden available. How do you save them? Click, right click, save option is not available. So what you have to do is click on this image, and then the image will appear like this. You simply right click and save the image to your folder that you want. Okay, so but can you use it? For example, you're writing a story or a blog on him. Can you use this image? Well, I'm not sure, but Google can tell you just that. You can simply use this tool, tools, click on it, usage rights, and you'll find two options: Creative Commons licenses and commercial and other licenses. When you talk about Creative Commons license, that means you can use this image in your website or some other place, and nobody has claim over this copyright thing. So in commercially, these images are licensed to reuse. So if somebody is trying to use them, they either have to pay something to the creator, or there are some other terms attached to it. Maybe some of the companies might ask you to leave their website name or a domain name. So in this case, we are looking for Creative Commons licenses, which anybody can use as of now, because these images keep on changing and the licensing rights also keep on changing. Many people apply for the copyright later on when they publish an image. So we have the images of Joe Biden. We scroll it, we can use any of these images, at least for now. And then click here. And once you click on an image, it will show you some sizes also. For example, this specific image is of 6720 by 4480 pixels. This number is actually pixels. Your screen, your computer screen or your phone screen is divided into small pixels or dots. So therefore, if you are looking for some bigger image or a smaller image, you can simply search using Google small images or large images. But there is a tool available in Google itself of size. You just click on size, click on large, medium, or icon, for example large. So all the images that are large, they'll appear. Just click on this one and see, this is a 5466 by 3648. A normal 14 inches laptop screen would be somewhere around 1349, the width, the first one. So 1349 pixels. So if any image is bigger than that, you can resize it. So if you don't need this kind of big image, you can simply click on a medium size image and you'll get the results for similar images. Just click on it and see, 1024 and 682 pixels. So let width and height are mentioned right here. So now, for example, you need an images, those are recently clicked. When you say recently clicked, you need some time frame. You have this time option available. Click on it and you can search past 24 hours, past week, past month, or past year. I want a picture that was clicked 24 hours ago or earlier, but I have to remove this or maybe clear everything. Just Click again, tools, time, past 24 hours ago, and I have these images. And Google tells you when the image was published on internet. Whenever a post comes and it gets listed in Google, it shows these images. For example, this specific image was clicked 19 hours ago. Uh, it doesn't mean that it was clicked 19 hours ago. It was actually published on some website 19 hours ago, and some famous websites, because all the websites are not coming on Google. Some of them, those are not doing search engine optimization, will definitely not come. So moving ahead with the next option that Google provides us, color. For example, I want image of Joe Biden that has black background. I'll click and find this black background kind of a stuff, and then I can select some other option, orange, yeah, something like this. So there are like multiple options to choose colors. Pink, this might okay, I've got something in pink also. So it all depends like on your requirement. I'll remove this specific option and move on to the next one, which is type. If you want animated image, so you can search a GIF option. So okay, the images are not available. Maybe if you scroll a bit down and keep scrolling, you might get some of the images of Joe Biden. Those are GIF or little bit animated. So let's remove this and try and search clip art. Okay, this is this Joe Biden? No. Okay, we have one, Joe Biden versus you know, Republicans versus Democrat. An icon there. You have this kind of a stuff. Okay, just go back and try and scroll a bit down. So there are so many cartoons available that were created during the elections. So something like this, these kind of icons you will get when you try and search more like this. Okay, there's no icon in the first scroll, I think. So let's move to the next stuff. Okay, try line drawing. Okay, we have this option available. So this kind of line drawing you get for other politicians or celebrities too. So if somebody has posted this kind of line drawings, you will get in the Google search. So in this case also we don't have any image, so it's fine. Maybe in the later or maybe like sometime after it will come. Then you can simply clear this and you can again search if you want something. All you have to go to tools and search these images. So depending upon your requirement, for example, you need a copyright free image or a regular image that anybody can use. So you have these options available right there. So in this video, this is it from my end. Thank you very much for watching, and do click on the subscribe button. Click on the like button if you like the video, and click on the bell icon if you want to receive notifications, and do share this video if you want to check if your friends know how to search an image in Google, or maybe they can increase their knowledge by doing this. Thank you very much for watching.